Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Zapier for AI automation workflows, complete guide step by step clearly. To register with Zapier for AI automation workflows, start by opening your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type in zapier.com and press enter. Once the page loads, look for the sign up button in the top right corner. Click on the sign up button to begin the registration process. You will be prompted to choose how you want to create your account. You can either sign up using your Google account or by entering your email address. If you choose the email option, fill in the required fields, including your email and a secure password. After filling in your details, click the sign up button to continue. Zapier may send a verification email to the address you provided. Check your email inbox for the verification email from Zapier. Open the email and click on the verification link to confirm your address. Once verified, you will be redirected back to the Zapier website. Now, you will be asked a few questions to tailor your experience. Fill in the information as prompted, such as your name and the main tools you plan to integrate. Choose your experience level with automation from the options provided. Click Next to proceed to the next step of your setup. Zapier will then take you to the dashboard, where you can start creating your workflows, known as zaps. Familiarize yourself with the dashboard layout, located at the top of the screen, where you can access various options. To create your first zap, click on the Create Zap button. You will then select a trigger app that initiates your workflow. Follow the on-screen instructions to connect your chosen app to Zapier. Next, select the action app that will complete the workflow after the trigger occurs. Again, follow the prompts to link this app and set up the action. After defining your zaps, click the Test button to ensure everything works correctly. Once confirmed, give your zap a name and turn it on. You can explore additional features and integrations from the dashboard as you grow with Zapier. With these steps completed, you are now ready to leverage AI automation workflows effectively. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.